Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this look, which is another natural makeup look, and this will be the fifth video or video number 5 of the series of videos that I make about natural makeup looks, and this will be the last video of this series. So I really hope that you enjoy watching this series, and if you want to see how I did this look today, please stay and watch. I just put my foundation on and my BB cream, and this is the foundation that I'm using, and I'm combining it with this BB cream by L'Oreal, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend in my foundation. I put my concealer on, and this is the one that I like using. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use my sponge that I already wetted with some water and squeeze the water out, and just gonna go and start blending my concealer. And some more ends. Just make sure you blend your concealer very well. Now I'm just going to spray a little more water on my sponge because I'm going to use my powder, and this is the powder that I like using. So I'm just going to put some on my hand like so and pick it up with a sponge and apply it to set my concealer. I'm going to put it on in all the parts where I put my concealer. I'm going to take this brown color right here, which is a very light brown color, and I'm going to use a round brush like this one, and I'm going to place it right here on the corner. Gonna go all the way up, so I want to make sure it's there, and then I'm gonna go all the way in. Then I'm going to use a brush like this one, and I'm going to pick up the same color, the same eyeshadow, and I'm going to put it down here. And I'm going to go all the way in. And I'm going to try to blend it in. Now I'm going to be using this color, this eyeshadow, and this eyeshadow is a super very shiny type of eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using a sponge like this one to apply the eyeshadow, because that way the color will be more intense versus if I use a brush. And I'm going to put this color all over my eyelid. I'm going to go on the edges and try to blend those two colors together. I'm gonna pull the corners up a little bit. After that, I'm gonna take another brown, which this time is a matte brown, and it looks like this. And I'm gonna use this brush again, and I'm going to place it right here on the corner. Then I'm going to grab the other side of the brush, and I'm gonna do circular motions to try to blend it. I want to stay right here on this corner because I don't wanna go in. So just make sure that you do keep yourself right here. I'm going to take that same color and I'm going to place it right here, but I'm going to stop right there. I'm not going any farther, just stopping right here. And I'm going to try to blend it. Just blend it in. I'm going to use this eyeshadow now, and with a flat brush like this one, I'm going to put it right here in the middle and then start blending it in. I also like to put it right here. I'm gonna go over. I'm not applying any more color in it. I just want to make sure that the first brown color that we put in there is still in there, is still showing. Sometimes when I put the highlighted color, which is the cream color that we put there. When I apply that color, sometimes the blending color, which is the first brown that we put in here, it tends to go away after I put the highlighter. So I always like to go over to make sure everything looks fine. I'm gonna put it up here too. I'm gonna go out on the waterline a little bit, very close to the lashes. Then I'm gonna take this brush again, and I already cleaned it up so it doesn't have any eyeshadow. And I'm gonna start blending that pencil. And me, I always like to go up, passing the eyeliner, but this time I'm not gonna do that. This time I'm gonna go straight. See? So just blend it in and go straight. See? And I like it how it looks like if you have a shadow there, like if you were having really long, nice eyelashes, and that's the shadow they are reflecting, or the shadow from the eyelashes. I think that looks super cool. I really like that. Now I'm just gonna apply my face powder, and I'm going to put it in all the areas where I didn't put my concealer. I'm going to apply my bronzer now. I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to use this side of this eyebrow kit from e.l.f. and I'm just gonna put it wherever I see that my eyebrow doesn't have much hair on. As a blush, I'm gonna be using this product right here, and it's kind of I think I used it before for this one of those natural looks, but this color is kind of peach looking. For my lip color, I'm going to use this lip pencil from Oriflame. I put the false lashes on outside of camera, and I also apply my mascara in the upper lashes and the lower lashes, and I forgot to put my highlighter. I don't know how that happened because I really like highlighter. I really like using a highlighter. So anyway, so I'm just gonna put it where I always put it, which is right here and right here. Before I finish this video, I want to show you two more options of lip colors that we can use. One that is a little lighter and one that is a little darker. So give me a second. So this is the darker color, and this color is a combination between red and brown, kind of both at the same time, and I think it looks pretty good with this look. But just keep in mind that the darker the color of your lip is, the more dramatic the final looks is going to be. Okay, and this is a lighter color, which I like it too. I think it looks pretty good. This color is a combination between a really pale rose and a pale peach color, kind of both at the same time. But me, I think I will choose, or for this look, I will keep the one that we use first, which is the lip liner. Just give me a second. Where did I put? So this one, which is the color that is in the middle, which is not too light and not too dark. But you can choose whichever you want, really, because with this look, all three go along pretty well. So it's up to you. So anyway, thank you very much for being here with me. This is the final look. I hope that you like it. I hope that this series about natural makeup was something helpful, something that you find enjoyable, and something that you feel like, oh, okay, yeah, I can try that, I want to do that. So because that's something about natural makeup that is easy, because you don't really need to know much about makeup to do it, and it's fast, so you don't need to really say, okay, I need a whole hour to get ready doing my makeup before I can leave the house and go do whatever I have to do, right? So you don't have to do that with natural makeup. It's easy and it's fast, so that's something really good about it. So thank you very much one more time. If you like this video, like it and subscribe and comment. Let me know what is it that you think, and I see you next time. Bye.